the maths video, and before we start with today's video, I will first give you the answers to the previous day's worksheet. So here are your answers to the previous day's worksheet, in which you had to give the expanded form. So the first answer is 567, that is 5 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 7 ones. Is 500 plus 60 plus 7. 2143 will be 2000s plus 100 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. 690 is 6 hundreds plus 9 tens. 1167 is 1000 plus 5 hundreds plus 6 tens plus 7 ones. 406 is 4 hundreds plus 6 ones, and 756 is 7 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. Now the numbers which have 0 in them, you need not have to write that in the expanded form. Today we will learn greater than and lesser than. Different number of digits. Mark has 43 stamps. Jack has 176 stamps. Who has more? So when you write the numbers under the hundreds, tens and ones columns, you can see 176 has got 3 digits and 43 has got only 2 digits. 100, 1 comes under the hundreds column, 7 comes under the tens column, and 6 under the ones column. And in 43, there are only 2 digits, where 4 is under the tens column and 3 is under the ones column. There is no digit under the hundreds column. So the number with more digits is always the greater number. So 176 is greater than 43. Now if you see the greater sign, it is like a crocodile's mouth. The crocodile mouth will be open towards 176. So whichever number is greater, the crocodile mouth is open facing that number, which means the crocodile is going to eat the bigger number. So in the above question, since 176 is greater than 43, so your answer will be Jack has more stamps than Mark. Now children, if you did not understand which number is greater than the other number, then in that case you will have to first follow these few rules. In the first one, compare the hundreds place first. Now 600 and 400, so we do not know which one is greater. So for that you will have to first compare the digits under the hundreds place first. So the hundreds place digits are 6 and 4. So we can see that 6 is greater than 4. So now automatically 600 is greater than 400. Now if we see that the digits under the hundreds places are the same, like in the first sum you can see 156, 186. That means the digits under the hundreds column is 1 and 1. So in that case you will have to compare the tens. So under the tens column you can see there is 5 and 8. So when you compare 5 and 8, we see 8 is greater than 5. So that means 186 will be greater than 156. Now if the digits under the hundreds and the tens place are the same, then you will have to compare the ones. In the first sum below you can see 932, 936. That means 9 and 3 and 9 and 3 are both common. So that time you will have to compare the digits under the ones column, that is 2 and 6. Now upon comparing, you can see that 6 is greater than 2. That means 936 will be greater than 932. Now there are sums which are given. There are 3 more sums. I want you to complete these and I will give you the answers in a while. So children, here are your answers. In the first sum, you can see that 8 was greater than 5. So 839 is greater than 539. In the second sum, 9 is greater than 2. So 396 is greater than 329. And in the third sum, 462. So we can see 2 is greater than 0. So 462 will be greater than 460. And always remember, the number which is greater, your crocodile mouth will be facing that number. Children, I hope you have understood how to compare numbers, and here is a worksheet for your homework where you will have to give the greater, lesser or equal to signs. So you will complete this worksheet for your homework and I will give you the answers in my next video. So see you in my next video and bye for now.